Hey everyone, Ushma this side and welcome back to Be10x. You all know that the internet can be a thrilling adventure but also a dangerous one. Searching around every corner are digital bandits waiting to steal your information or infect your devices. Fear not, for that there is a trustworthy companion available is Squarex. Yes, you heard it right. The Chrome extension that acts as your personal bodyguard in the wild west of the web. Squarex is a security and privacy extension that offers a variety of features to help you protect your data and keep your browsing safe. On basis of my personal experience, hats off to the team of Squarex who developed this amazing extension for all the working professionals. As I have attached my file in Virus Total tool, and this is the file that I downloaded earlier, and if you notice carefully, the file was scanned with 59 antivirus, out of which only 5, yes, just 5 antivirus detected that it contains some malicious code. The rest of antivirus said it was safe, but it wasn't. So these kind of files can corrupt your data. To solve this problem, we are going to use Squarex. And if you are really interested in learning AI tools, then we have a wonderful workshop with us, which I will talk in later part of this video.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
So let's start our tutorial for now. As Squarex is a basically Chrome extension, we'll add this Chrome extension to our browser and in one click, it will redirect to this website. Here I'm going to click on Try It button. It will open a sandbox environment for me where I can open my files safely. As you can see, my sandbox environment has been created. We will click on this browse file here and select this file. This will open this file in a sandbox environment and see my file is open. And if this file contains any malicious script or any malicious code, it cannot harm my computer because this file is open in my computer but in sandbox environment. So this is how I can open any file safely without worrying that this will read my computer file or harm my computer in any way. This is one thing, and the another good thing here is that this file is opened offline. Yes, you can open this file in an offline way, in this offline inside the sandbox environment, so it cannot expose my data to the outside internet by making any API calls. And not only that, what I can do is once my file is safely secured and I don't have to worry that these files are safe or not. So this is one thing. So this feature is called disposable file viewer. After that, the next is disposable browser. So what is this disposable browser? Before knowing what is disposable browser, you all know that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? I know. Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Let's see, what can I do with it? I can choose a server, let's say Singapore, and I will click on the start button here. What this will do, it will create a whole server sandbox for me in Singapore, and I can easily browse anything but the Singapore browser, as I'll go with google.com, which is not in my browser but in sandbox Singapore browser. Suppose I want to open this in Germany. This is a disposable browser and it's loading within seconds. It created me a browser which is open in Germany, and that website cannot track me. So if you have any link that you want to open but you are afraid that this link will track you, or there is some sort of the tracking system in a particular link, what you can do is you can spin up a virtual browser in a sandbox environment on any server in any location, not only in Australia, UK, but in any server whichever you like, and just go on with the start and browse anything in any server. Basically, I can spin up my virtual browsers in different locations and I can open any kind of links, and I don't have to worry that the link will track me, or if there is any tracking active, it will not be able to track me. This is the best part of the testers and developers. And not only that, what I can do, if you receive a link in an email that you may not feel safe to click on, because nowadays there are many kind of the phishing attacks, so it is not safe to open any link. What you can do is right click on this link and open it in a Squarex. What this will do is open this link in a virtual sandbox environment inside your browser with safety, so that this link cannot track you and cannot run any malicious background script. The next is disposable email. So, in disposable email is often used when you need to sign up or sign in to a website that requires your email. But of course, you don't want to give your email because you are afraid that they will spam you or send you promotional emails and lot of multiple emails. So, for example, let's open a website here. Suppose it's pixel.com, and so let's open the pixel.com here. Pixel is basically a stock footage website. I just took an example of it. Let's say I want to log in this particular website, or I want to sign up. The thing is that, and my major concern for every website is that I have to give my email ID. Of course, they will send me a promotional emails. They will spam me, which I don't want. So what I can do is, I can create a disposable email here in a Squarex. Disposable email is a kind of temporary email. For example, this is my disposable email right now. You can regenerate it. So let's click on the regenerate button. Okay. So it generates a new email for me. I can also edit it, like I chose my own domain. So let's say I want Tom and Jerry, and I can just select any name here and I just do the change. So you can see on the fly, it has created a dynamic email for me, which I can copy and use to sign up here. So let's copy it and paste it here too. And here it will enter my name and all the credentials. And here we can take any password, whatever you wish to log in, and create account. After creating account, you will see that my account has been created using that disposable email what I have copied and pasted, and I can access any emails that are sent to me. This email is here form. So you can see Pixel has sent me an email to confirm my email. I can access it from here only, and my private email address, which is my main email address, is completely safe. I will not receive any spam further. So it's a very cool and very handy feature. And not only that, if you are a developer, you can also use it in your applications for testing purpose. For example, you need to test that in a login system or sign up system and email or working properly. So you can basically choose disposable emails from here and send emails to them and see what this is a disposable feature are. And more important thing, the smart integration. Suppose you want to open an attachment without using your personal browser, because it may harm your computer or any sort of the tracking system, but it may have and it may not have also. But no need to worry about anything. You can directly open the attachment in disposable sandbox. You have to just go with this option and it will redirect to you in a disposable sandbox, and file is opened not in your browser but in a safe browser. So here's the wrap. I personally recommend this Chrome extension for developers and testers that make use of this wonderful Chrome extension, and share with your friends. This was Ushma signing off until next time.